Ma'am, can I read
Can I
that?
read
Ma'am,
that?
it's
Ma'am,
Stand this.
All of
Ma'am,
you
can I
first.
read India? Ma'am,
All
can
of
I
you.
read Rohit?
All of you first mute your mic. Fast.
Okay.
Fast, I say. Yes. I said Multani, Asia, right?
Misbah, no ma'am. Inchiani, Multani Misbah. Rojani, Inchia, ma'am.
हाँ read बेटा
No ma'am,
मुल्तानी
will tell Multani Misbah.
मुल्तानी
अरे बेटा
मिसबा
मैम आपने मुझे बोला या उससे बोला?
मुल्तानी is whose surname?
I am
Misbah.
Multani Misbah. Multani. Ma'am, I will
Yes.
Yes, Multani Misbah. You are going to read. See the Mahavir Swami's early life. Okay. Now, beta,
Yes.
in Mahavir, one minute, beta. In Mahavir Swami's early life. Okay. What was it, beta? He was when he was born. We learnt about. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
She was born in
she नहीं ही है वो क्या है he. Where was he born? He was born in where was he born? In Gandhar Kshatriya dynasty of Kundargam, Republic of India. Okay, clear everyone? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Clear.
his yes, and his childhood name was what? What was his childhood name? His childhood name was Vardhaman. What was it?
Vardhaman.
Yes, his childhood name was Vardhaman. And apart from that, beta, his mother name was Sid, Sid, uh, Trishla Devi. What was his mother's name?
Krishna Devi.
Krishna Devi.
Trishla, nahi, Trishla.
Krishna.
Trishla. What was it?
Krishna. Krishna Devi.
Krishna.
Krishna.
Trishla. हाँ, Trishla Devi.
Krishna.
Okay.
Yes.
Krishna Devi.
हाँ. His mother name was Trishla Devi, and he had an elder brother. Okay. What was his elder brother? Anyone knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Nandini.
Yes.
Nandi Vardhan. What was it?
Nandini Vardhan. Nandini Vardhan.
Nandi Vardhan.
Nandi Vardhan. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now, what is the other thing? That Mahavir Swami was also a prince, just as how Siddhartha was, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
And he was married at an early age. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So this way, they had one daughter, and the daughter name was Priya Darshini. What was the daughter name? Priya
Priya
Darshini.
Darshani. Priya Darshani. Priya Darshani.
Priya Darshini.
Priya Darshani.
P-R-I V-A-D-A-R-S-H-I-N-I. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes, chalo. Yes. This girl, Multani, who said I?
Multani Misbah.
Yes, Multani means you read beta.
Ma'am, I want to read Mehri. I want to read Insha. मैम मुल्तानी मिसबा के बाद मैं लेके मैम आपके लेक्चर में मेरी टन आती नहीं है.
What is your good name beta?
इंशिया.
Okay.
मैम मेरी भी
आती है
टन
बेटा.
नहीं
I
आती
give.
आपके
I
लेक्चर.
many times speak Insha's name.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. He left. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ
He
बोलो.
left home. My turn also not coming your lecture.
What is your good name?
My name is Meera Arfa.
No, Mira, I gave many times. I remember your name.
But no, yes, ma'am, you remember my name, but now this in this chapter my turn was not come.
In
Don't understand this. I'm telling to you,
Ma'am,
but you are
you
not
are not
listening.
giving the
That's
turn
why.
to me also.
Me also.
Mira
Always
Arfa,
from
what
Muskan,
you ओके
Alina.
टर्न की बात छोड़ो पर आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मैं आपको नहीं समझा रही आप बोलोगे मुझे
अरे मैम ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं, आप समझा तो देते हो पर फिर है ना बहुत बहुत में सब बीच में बोल रहे हैं तब समझ में नहीं आता होता है तो फिर हम लोग आपको बोलते तो आप समझाते भी हो।
हाँ मैं ऑलवेज आपको जो नहीं समझ में आता है फिर से समझाती हूँ बेटा
हाँ हाँ मैम अब समझाते
मैम
मैंने
वो
बोला
बोल
पर
रही है,
टर्न नहीं
मैम
आता है तो क्या करें
वो
हम।
बोल रही है कि है ना, हाँ हमारा टर्न ही नहीं आता बस।
ओके मीरा अर्फा you will surely get a turn okay but right now I have said to this new girl only that her turn is also not come Multani's turn is also not come right
Yes ma'am.
yes
Yes.
her turn I remember that her turn has never come Mira Arfa's to turn a name I remember many time I spoke so let us wait Mira Arfa okay you'll get a turn I assure you for that okay yes okay Mira Arfa but let us now give to this Multani Insha okay because she is also not there
मैम मुल्तानी इंशा ना रोजानी इंशा and
Multani
she Multani missed.
Multani,
He
what you are
left
doing?
Misbah.
He left.
He left no ma'am at
Are you there, beta?
yes ma'am.
Chalo, read, beta.
Yes ma'am. He left home at the third of 13 years
नहीं
in
बेटा मेरा मुल्तानी this first paragraph I explained you know that
yes ma'am. Mahavir yes.
Mahavir Swami
Mahavir Sami was born in G-
Gandhak Kshatriya
Gan- Gantak Santhya
Kshatriya
of Kayu and Full Kayu and
Kundagarm
Lankal
Republic of Vaji
Republic of
Union
Union. Of his childhood name was we and we Vima.
his childhood name was Vardhaman
Vardhaman. His father name. His father. His father. S I W.
his father Siddhartha
Father was the king of the republic.
Vaji yes very good
He was the king of republic. Mahavir mother name was
Trishula Trishula
Krishna.
Devi
Krishna Devi. His elder brother name was Na Navir. Navir.
Nandi Vardhan
Navir. Like GUTM. GUTM.
like Gautam Buddha
And
Mahavir
like Gautam Buddha, Mahavir,
Mahavir Swami
Mahavir Swami was also a prime. There has
daughter
daughter keep left
of many kings. He was Mr.
His daughter name was Trishna Devi.
Her name was Krishna Devi.
चलो, वेरी गुड मुल्तानी. ऐसे आप मुल्तानी चांस लेते रहना, ओके, रीडिंग में.
Okay, ma'am.
So slowly and gradually your reading will improve, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
चलो.
read India?
नो इंशा नहीं, मीरा आरफा को टर्न देना था ना. यस मीरा आरफा, रिवाइज दिस पैराग्राफ बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Mahavir Swami early life. Mahavir Swami was born in Ventrakrashtriya. Ma'am, your screen was
हाँ बेटा,
going
हाँ बेटा,
black.
हाँ बेटा. Now it's visible.
No, ma'am.
Now बेटा.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not
Ma'am,
at
excuse
present.
me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Alpha,
I have a book. Can I read from in the book?
Alpha, I have given her turn, no? Who has got the turn?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I Malek Tahir?
No, I already gave to one girl. Meera Alpha, I think I have given.
Yes, ma'am. I am reading.
हाँ तो read बेटा.
Mahavir Swami early life. Mahavir Swami was born in Karnataka,
Gantak.
the Nast of Kundagram, Republic of Vahaji Unite. His childhood name was Vardhan. His father Siddharth was king of
Vardhaman.
Vardhaman. His Siddharth king of the Republic. Mahavir Swami mother's name was Rishla Devi. His elder brother was named Nani Vardhan. Like Gautam Buddha, Mahavir Swami was also prince. First to acquired knowledge, acquired knowledge of many arts. He was married to Princess Yashodhara. His daughter name Yashodhara. His daughter name was Priyadarshini.
Very good. His daughter's name was Priyadarshini. Now everyone will remember, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, no, ma'am, no doubt.
Now leaving home and sadhana, okay, and the preachings. Now we are going to learn. You know, beta, he left home at a very small age. At what age did he left? You know anyone?
Home.
Anyone knows?
What, ma'am?
What, ma'am?
At what age he left the home? He left the home at the age of 30 years. At what age did he left the home?
30 years.
30 years.
30 years.
Yes. When he
30
was
years.
yes, when he was very small ही आप बोल सकते हो, right? So और उसके बाद उन्होंने कैसी लाइफ ली? एक भिक्षुक की लाइफ, right? Means he was begging from everyone and eating, right? And staying a life of bhikshuk, okay? Understood? So this way, it's very hard, right? It's very hard to live such a life, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay?
Yes.
So he became a beggar and he continued to, live such a hard life. Okay? And on the bank of river, okay, on the bank of river Raju Palika. What is the river's name?
Raju Palika.
Drupalita.
पालिता नहीं, पालिका.
Palika.
पालिका. Okay.
Palika.
Yes. At that place, beta, he attained highest knowledge, and that highest knowledge is known as what, you know? That highest
Yes, ma'am.
knowledge is known as Keval
Keval
Gyan.
Jnana.
What it is known as? Keval Gyan.
Keval
Keval
Jnana.
Gunya.
Yeah.
Keval Gunya.
Yes. As he
Keval
conquered,
Jnana.
yes. As soon as he conquered this Keval Gyan, yes, his mind and senses, he was called Jeen. What was he called, beta?
Jeen.
Yes,
Jim. Jim.
he was called Jeen. Such great mighty Vardhaman came to be known as Mahavir.
Vardhaman.
Varman.
Yes, he came to be known as what, beta?
Vardhaman.
Varman.
Mahavir. Mahavir.
Mahavir. Mahavir.
Yes, and that is why what we are learning now? What we are learning? The Mahavir Swami. है ना? We are learning
Mahavir
about,
Swami.
yes, we are learning about Mahavir Swami.
Swami.
So this way Siddhartha became Mahavir Swami. Yes.
Mahavir Swami.
Yes, Insha, read beta this paragraph.
Ma'am, after Ancia, can I read?
What is your name?
Ma'am, can I read
Alina
Mehri?
Kholia.
Arya
Alina
Fatima.
Kholia.
Arya
Alina,
Fatima.
I want to read
Ma'am, can I read Inshia?
Yes, Insha, start and after Insha, Alina, okay? No one will unmute your mic now. Instead, in case if you have doubt, only then.
Ma'am, sab come. Ma'am, after Alina, can I Malik Tahira?
चलो बेटा
Ma'am
Insha
said
start.
it हुई है.
हाँ रीड करने देते मैं कहना है नहीं टाइम चला जाता है
मैम
इस
उसके
क्लास में
अंदर टाइम चला जाता है.
इस क्लास में तो खास
हाँ
yes.
मैम मैं स्टार्ट कर दूं?
यस बेटा स्टार्ट
वो मैम लिविंग होम से स्टार्ट करना है ना?
yes beta the upper paragraph I explained and no one has any doubt in that so we'll continue ahead.
Okay ma'am. He
Yes,
left
beta, start.
home at age of 30 years in search of knowledge. He lived life as bhikshuk, beggar, and did a harsh penance of 12 years on the bank of river Rujpalika.
Rajupalika he attained
Rujpalika he attained the highest knowledge, i.e. Kevaligyan as
ને શું કહેવાય બેટા આઈ ને શું કહેવાય ખબર છે
Ma'am, I
No,
know.
ma'am.
what is I yes who knows
Sirat. Ma'am, that is.
yes that is okay so whenever you see
Okay,
IE don't read it as IE read it as that is okay
Okay, ma'am. As he conquered his mind and senses, he was called Jin. Such great mighty Vardhaman came to be known as Mahavir.
yes understood clear everyone
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
now we will see his preachings I already explained you the preachings also right girls
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
anyone any
Right,
doubt in
ma'am.
the preachings
No, ma'am. No doubt.
ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am. No
ma'am.
doubt.
yes now his preachings that he taught people okay 5 preachings that we are going to discuss now what did he teach people you know to follow the path of non-violence है ना किसी को मारना नहीं है
Non-violent.
हाँ what is non-violence what does come in non-violence Alina say
Don't harm people and animals.
बस इतना ही read it non-violence read करो बेटा non-violence
Yes, ma'am. Mahavir Swami believed the violence is one of the biggest evil human of society. There should no be violence of any kind. Even the smallest creature has the right to live. Even mental violence should not be done. Protecting animals is the real duty of human being.
Yes.
Number two,
Understood?
truth.
Understood? Non-violence.
Yes,
Mahavir Swami believed that violence is one of the biggest evil of human society. What it is? Violence is the biggest evil. दुश्मन है वो हमारे सोसाइटी का. मतलब किसी को मारना या किसी को मार डालना, है ना. नॉट ओनली दैट बेटा,
yes,
महात्मा गांधी जब सबको प्रीच करते थे, जब सबको लीड करते थे सोसाइटी में, तो महात्मा गांधी ऑल्सो फॉलोड द पाथ ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस. मतलब किसी को मारना नहीं है, राइट. ही ऑल्सो फॉलोड द
yes,
पाथ ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस. क्लियर बेटा?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Number two, truth. We should never speak lies. We should not speak without thinking or understanding. We should abstain anger to the follow the truth. The truth should always be followed in every situation.
Yes. Means what? Okay, you should never speak lies, right? And you should follow always the path of truth. The path of truth. You should never speak lies, right? And apart from that, beta, you should never speak without understanding. मतलब कि बिना देखे समझे कुछ नहीं बोलना है. Understood?
Yes. Number
Yes.
third, ST.
Ma'am,
Number
I
third,
want to
ST. Theft is the biggest evil. We
ST.
should not take
Yes.
anybody's things without his her permission. Entering anybody's house without permission is also like stealing by saying so. He tried to keep the society of that time away from stealing.
Hmm. Yes. So what did he think of, Peter? That we should not do cheating, we should not do STC, right? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because theft, चोरी करना, theft is what? चोरी करना, right? It is the biggest evil of the society. Yes or no, बेटा? चोरी करनी चाहिए?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं,
Yes,
right?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
चोरी
ma'am.
नहीं करनी
नहीं करनी चाहिए.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
So
ma'am.
this was,
चोरी नहीं
this was also his
चोरी नहीं
preaching. This was also his teaching. Okay? महावीर स्वामी ने ये भी सिखाया था कि आपको अच्छे से रहना
Ma'am.
है. No theft. Theft is the biggest evil. What it is? Biggest evil of the society. Okay?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
We should
Number
not
four.
take. We should not take anybody's things without his or her permission. Okay? उसकी परमिशन के बिना हमें कोई चीज लेनी भी नहीं चाहिए. किसी की भी कोई चीज हो, if anyone belongings, yes, we should always take their permission and take those things. Understood? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अरे
Understood.
बाप रे, who spoke
Yes,
so
ma'am.
loudly?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was this girl? Spoke so loudly. Chalo. Then entering anybody's house without the permission is also like stealing. By saying so, he tried to keep the society away. What did he try? To keep the society away of that time from stealing. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Then
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, then is non-possessiveness. What is non-possessiveness? That you should not store more grains than required. Okay? कि जितनी जरूरत हो उतना ही सामान रखना चाहिए. ओके, यस बेटा रीड.
Yes, ma'am. Man should not store good poisonous ornaments or clothing beyond the requirement. Keeping the things as per requirement reduce collection instinct in a person of and things like grains reach up to the poor people. His was his important this was his important message. A person and things like grains reach up to the poor people. This was his important message. Number
Yes,
5.
understood everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Understood clear.
And
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
And the next is brahmacharya. Now, what is this brahmacharya? Anyone can say me? Anyone knows it? Anyone has heard this brahmacharya word anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is brahmacharya, beta? That not to get married. So, especially this Bhavi Swami preached the Jain monks and nuns to observe celibacy, means not to get married. Okay. सबको नहीं ऐसा बोलते थे, पर जो जैन मॉन्क्स बनते थे उनको ही ऐसा बोलते थे. ओके.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am,
मावी. हाँ बेटा,
मैं आ गई हूँ मजलिस में से.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मैम
हम्म? बेटा ओके चलो. यस बेटा, ताहेरा, मलिक ताहेरा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes beta, read. Mavi Swami is a great reformer.
Yes, ma'am. The Mahavir Swami opposed
Ritual.
rituals and sacrifice. He rejected presence of God. He commanded animals sacrifice in the yagna. Yagna.
He stopped. What did he do? He stopped the animal sacrifices. है ना? Not to kill animals and all that, right?
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Apart from that, he taught his people in Prakrit language, Sanskrit and Prakrit, right?
Yes, ma'am. He said that the woman should be give ancient
We didn't have
right,
like.
like Buddha. He too purchased in people's language, i.e., Prakrit and
IE is known as that case, okay? Don't pronounce it as IE, okay?
and and his simple and easy teaching, he changed people's lives.
Life, okay? Life.
Nirvana. He died in Pawapuri,
Pavapuri.
Pawapuri, the age of 72. In the way about 2500 years ago, people got new ideas. Religious
Ritual.
rituals and defilements were removed. People became followers in a large number. Both teachers obliged people
Obliged.
to adopt that the path of place and virtue
Virtue in the society.
promoted the virtue
Virtue.
in the society.
Well, understood here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, in this way, beta, about 2500 years ago. How many years ago, beta? कितने सारे years ago, right?
500 years ago.
200.
2500 years ago, है ना?
2500
Years ago.
years ago.
बहुत पुरानी बात है, right? The people got new ideas. What did the people get, beta?
New ideas.
New ideas.
New ideas.
Yes, they got new ideas. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And the religious ritualnesses and जितने भी evil things थे society में वो remove हो चुके थे. People became his followers and then people started following him. Yeah, people started following Mahavir Swami and Siddhartha, that is the Buddhism, right? Thus they promoted, yes, thus they promoted virtue and in this society. Yes, everyone understood the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood.
Understood.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
I am again asking you, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
no doubt.
No doubt.
Everything,
No, ma'am. No.
everything is clear in the lesson?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yes, I'm very clear.
yes, ma'am. Very nice.
Yes, thank you, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Wait, beta, wait. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me any moment, okay? Even if after the lesson is over, you are learning the notes, at that time also you can ask me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But
Okay, ma'am.